First, depressurize the system by closing the upstream and downstream valves. Open the main drainage valve and the command filter drainage valve in order to release any trapped water. Verify that the filter is depressurized by using your controller app or an external pressure gauge if exists. Close the valves after all pressure has been released. Examine the drawing located on top of the booster piston to familiarize yourself with the location of the supply, drain, and command tubes. Disconnect the tubes from the filter's booster piston. Open the piston clamps and remove the booster cylinder. In order to extract the valve, grab the piston on both sides. Push the piston inwards and firmly pull the piston backwards so it is released by the impact. Examine the valve and grease it according to instructions. Insert the valve into the piston, making sure you align the grooves on the piston edge and the valve, then press the valve in place. Position the booster cylinder in place. Replace the clamps and retighten the bolts. Connect the command, drain, and supply tubes to the filter's piston. Pressurize the system by opening the downstream and upstream valve and check for any leaks. Finally, initiate a manual backflush procedure. Your flushing valve maintenance is now complete.